This is Penticton Creek. After the destruction, which they call restoration, they removed all the trees. Threw a bunch of rocks in there. I wonder if the salmon will know. The falls don't look as big as they used to be. The bridge is blocked off still. And as you can see, the sidewalk is closed, so there's no getting close to the bridge on this side. Today, the sidewalk is closed on this side as well. Not sure why. There's the bridge, at least it's back in. We can't walk up that path on that side still. But all the fencing's been taken down here, which is good to see. I don't think you can get across the bridge yet, but the fencing's all gone. That's nice. Might actually be able to watch the salmon spawn this year. I was thinking maybe not so much, but looking more hopeful.